JuJu's in the craft room, come and see. It's Mama JuJu crafting, chatting full of glee, playing her day away in her own.
Okay, this is an Artsy little flip. It's made out of envelopes. It is 5 5/8 by 9 3/8, and the outside is this. That's I took an envelope and did my painty gel prints on it. It does have a pocket here. This is an envelope that flips out. The other side we have another painting envelope, a little pocket from the other side with a little journaling card. This opens up, you got journaling space here, and that's my painting papers. This one is my grunge painting papers, and it has a little boat picture in it there. And this one is on the back here. That is there. This is here, the pocket behind here, and then a pocket here. That's the back, and it's just a cute little that's the back of it. It's just a really cute little painting paper envelope flip journal, and it's got potential to add whatever you want to in it. Okay, and that's my Artsy flip.